Okay, so I got the glucometer today, and this is the video about its review. So this is how it came in the box. I had this glucometer box, which says that it's the GlucoOne. It's Dr. Morphin's, and I got 50 test strips free. So we got that invoice also if we want to return. So let's see what is inside. So this is the 50 strips which comes free with this kit, and it has 2 years of warranty. It has 8.99 price, and it's actually good that you have 2 years of warranty of these strips. And here you have the direction of the use, and rest the details of the company. So this is really good that they're giving us for free because it's costly separately. So let's see what's inside the kit. Here they have written the details, and it has the details of what the kit is, and it has a lifetime warranty with it. It's really good. And here they have given the directions, the specification of this, where you have to punch it and how to do it, collect and test your blood, how to use. This is a really good thing. This is what, when I opened, I got a manual. Please read this manual. So please read this one. This is really very important to know how the machine is used. And you really have one quick reference guide. It's a simple thing how to own the machine, and how to collect your blood, how to prick. Everything is written in this quick reference guide. You should keep this every time with you so that you should not get confused what needs to be done. So and this is the box with the glucometer, and it is a kit. Due to the shipping, it has come out. It's usually I mean, happens like this. So let's organize this and see how it looks. So this is how it should look, and over here you have to put that test strips box. I'll show it later on. And they give you a battery with the kit to on the machine. So let's see what is all inside. In this box you have the lancets, the battery for the machine, and the pricker. So they give all the kit in the box. This is how you have to remove the battery, put it in the machine. It actually doesn't sticks on it. You have to close it with the lid only then. So if you see, it doesn't get in. So that's how you have to put the lid, and you have to fix it. And yeah, this has all been written in the guide. You have to read it first and then press M to start. This is how it will show in the start. You have to actually do all the settings and all. The C is to see the latest one, since I've not done, so it will not show. And press M again to shut off the machine. So that's how it works. So it's actually in a working condition. This is the strips which we need to put. Let's open it. Oh, it has a box and a manual again. This is the box where you have 50 test strips. These are valid for 2 years, and it has an airtight box so that the moisture should not go in, because once the moisture is there, the strips gets damaged. And these are only used for this machine. This is the strip. It's an electronic strip, so only this machine is used. So once you put it, you see this drop blinking over it. That's when you have to put the blood on the strip. So this is it. Let's see the pricker. This is the pricker. It has the speed over there, 1 2 3 4 5. It's 0, it won't prick. And it has a setting how to actually use it. You have to pull this thing and then have to press. So you have to first check with the speed, pull, and then you'll get a click sound, and then you have to press it. This is how it's used. And lenses need to be put inside this. You'll be given all the instructions in the manual, you just have to check. And this is all our kit with this small compact box of Dr. Morepen GlucoOne. And the box is really compact, plastic material. You can carry it anywhere. I would recommend this to everyone. Thank you.